go ahead and finish out the spine, the neck, and the head controls. So first of all, let's go ahead and just make a under Create, Shapes, and Circle, and we're going to go to Keyboard Entry, Create, and I'm just going to move that up, hit Z on my keyboard, and I'm going to use my Align tool to the spine 1. Okay, and oh, that's not right. I need to align it to the spine 1 here. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scale it down a little bit so it doesn't need to be so big. I'm going to call the spine 1 control, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Animation, Constraint, Orient Constraint to there. And again, so it pops it off to the side. I'm just going to come down here and go to Keep Initial Offset. Excuse me, let's select that and it should rotate. Now what happens if you rotate this, it doesn't follow, the curve doesn't actually follow along. So I need to go ahead and parent that to that. So I'm going to link to the root. Okay, so now that should, in effect, control that as well. So let's select on that curve. Let's give it a color, and I'm going to call it blue. And let's just go ahead back, and we'll create another circle. Circle, Keyboard Entry, Create. Let's just move this up, hit Z, and then I'm going to go ahead and let's align it. These might be a little bit higher than I would normally want. I'm going to just put that there. I'm going to do Shift. Okay, let's call this Spine 3 control, and then I'm going to align that to that thing right there. Okay, and let's just make sure we scale it up a little bit enough. Let's F3 so you can see it. These spine controls are a little bit higher than I normally do, but it's okay. So what we need to do, first of all, let's get this one named correctly. This one's Spine 2 Control, and this one is Spine 3 Control. So Spine 2 and 3, let's select those together. Color, let's make them blue. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an orientation constraint there. Animation, constraint, orientation. Bang. Okay, so it knocks it over. And let's go down to Keep Initial Offset. And let's go back to this. And we're going to go to Animation, Constraint, Orientation, Constraint, and there. And it should knock that over too. And we're going to go to Keep Initial Offset. And then what I'm going to do is, so now this is controlling that. And this is controlling that's rotation, that rotation. I need to parent this to this. So let's just parent it to the next one down. So as I rotate, it should follow. And let's select this one, and we're going to parent this one to that. So we'll get my link tool here. We're just going to link it down to there. Bang. So now I should have kind of a spine that should be working something like I want. And that's the spine.